Hi, welcome to mycutetoons with Joel. Today we're going to draw Cleo from Super Monsters. So you can take your marker and you can follow along with me. So first up, I'm going to draw the eyes. I'm going to start with the eyes. I'm going to draw two flat lines, straight lines like this, both sides. And then I'm just going to give it a nice curve on top. And we can do the same thing with this eye as well, a nice curve on top. And we're going to draw some eyelids. Now, before we draw the eyelid, we can just draw the eyelashes. And on this side, I'm going to draw it again. I'm just going to start from this side up and draw a little eyelash there as well. And as usual, we're just going to draw the pupils. One pupil and an iris. And on the other side, we're going to draw a pupil, iris, and then of course light reflections. And I'm just going to draw these two light reflections and color the pupils in. Right, now we've got the two eyes, and with the eyelids on top, and then a small little nose right between the eyes, and right below that a little smile. I'll just draw a little curvy line like this, and then I'm going to draw the top lip and the bottom part of the lip, and there we go, there's the lips as well. Now from both sides of my eyelashes, and I'm just going to make a mark here at the bottom, some guidelines for me. So I'm just going to draw the chin, and we're going to just bring the chin around to that side, and there's the chin, and of course a neck for Chloe. There we go. Now on top we're going to start with the hair. I'm first going to draw the side of the head, bring it up, and on this side, the side of the head, bring it up, and I'll take it about the same height. And then from here I'm going to draw a curved line down, and I'm going to take the curve back to that side. There we go, just like this. And now I'm just going to draw the hair. I'm just going to make two curves out like this and go up, and I'm going to make a little line up there, and then from here I'm going to follow the curve back, and here we'll do the same thing, we'll follow the curve back as well. And then there's a triangle on her head. It looks like a crown. So we have this triangle with a little gemstone in it, and it seems like there's some sort of a brick shape in this triangle as well. There we go. Right, good. From this side we're going to do two little upside down U's, another one and another one. There we go. Another one, and maybe a last one on this side, and I'm going to do the same thing here, and then a last one there as well. Great. Next to the head we're going to start with the hair. I'm just going to do that, and on this side we're going to do the same thing like this. Good. And now here what I want to do is actually I want to draw the hair. So what I'm going to do is let's start from here, the side of the head. This is part of a crown. You'll draw something like this, and let's do it on this side as well. And you're going to take the crown up all the way to there, and I will do something like this. And then on this side let's do the same thing, something like that, both the same. And then let's continue. We're going to do another line down, and on this side we're going to do about the same. Sorry, this one needs to go up, and we're going to draw one line down. You can just follow along with me. So I just draw these little lines out. So from this side I want to draw the side of the head, do this, and on this side of the head, and we do the same thing as well. And then maybe just a little piece of a crown sticking out there. Now there are a few lines that I'm just going to draw this. This is going to be blue, and on this side we're going to do the same thing. There we go. And now we can continue with the hair. So the hair underneath stick out here. There we go. Maybe something like that. And this side we're just going to quickly do the same thing as well. There we go. Great. Now on top for a crown. And you're just going to connect it. And then from here you're going to do the same thing. You're going to connect it. Right. It looks like a piece of ribbon on top. And then here you're just going to make a thicker line like this, and then a thin line on top of that as well, something like this, and there's jewels in here, and on this side let's do the same. There are some jewels in here as well. Good. And maybe one there as well. And now for the hair on top, I'm going to make an upside down U there, and then we're just going to bring a few lines out like this. Upside down U, maybe a few lines. I'll make 3 this side, there's 4 on that side, and then we'll just do this. Good. And there's a hair on top. Great. Now here in front, we're just going to make a few lines for a hair as well. And maybe this, we can make one there, and we can do the same here. Good. And then eyebrows. There's one eyebrow, and on this side I'll just make a different eyebrow there. Great, there we go. And there's Chloe's head. Now for the shoulders. She has this big piece of jewelry around her neck that goes over her shoulder, and there's some precious stones in it. So I'll just draw a few squares. There we go. And on this side we're going to do the same thing, a few squares, maybe 3. There we go. Great. Now for the shoulders, we're going to draw 2 little lines out, and then we're going to draw the torso. And there's a torso, and then there's a few, like a belt around her waist, but a belt made of gold. And we have these beautiful pieces there. Great. And then you can just bring her little dress out on both sides like this. Then we're going to draw a little V shape here, zigzag line. Right. And you can just make the bottom part of the zigzag. There we go. And then we'll make the bottom part of the dress. And you're going to follow this curve as well, the zigzag curve. There we go. And there's the bottom part of the dress. Now for her arms, I'm just going to draw 2 boxes on both sides. That's her arms, very short, and then fingers. And then maybe a thumb right there. And maybe there's another finger sticking out right there. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. Finger. Good. Just a finger there at the back sticking out. Right, and then there's sort of a cloak hanging behind her. And you can just draw 2 little triangular shapes there, and maybe with a lower part and another lower part of the cloak as well. And now from here we can go down to the legs, and I'm just going to make 4 straight lines like this without any curves. We're going to give it a flat surface, and then we're going to extend it a little. There we go. And we're going to do the same thing this side. Beautiful. And now I want to draw the shoes. So I'm just going to draw a sort of a line like this coming together. And on this side we're going to do the same thing. There we go. And then here we're going to draw the soles of the shoes. There's one sole, and there's the other one. And we're going to take this around as well. Maybe just a little hook there, and the side of the foot there, and maybe a little band there in the middle as well for the foot. And we can draw 2 upside down V's right there. Good. Perfect, and there's Chloe. And that was very easy and very quick to draw. Now you can take your markers, your crayons or your colored pencils and color Chloe in, and I'm sure Chloe will look absolutely beautiful. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon.